So, my dear friends, today Anuj has sent a story, and the story is of Dashrath Manji, belong to Bihar, and this is an inspiring story that you must listen to definitely. And what did he do? Why we take his name? So, about him, that using only a hammer and a chisel, a man spends. Focus करो एक एक चीज के ऊपर. 22 years carving a road. थोड़ा सा अंदाजा लगाइए वर्ड्स का. थ्रू अ ट्रेचरियस माउंटेन. चिजेल, CHISEL लिखो. हैमर, HAMMER, हैमर तो कॉमन होगा आपके लिए. चिजेल, CHISEL. A man spends 22 years carving, लिखो carving, CARVING, carving a road through. थ्रू की स्पेलिंग गलत मत लिख देना, बहुत सारे लोग लिख देते हैं. थ्रू, THROUGH, थ्रू ए ट्रीचेरियस. ट्रीचेरियस का लिखो आप स्पेलिंग, TREACHEROUS, ट्रीचेरियस माउंटेन. Using only a hammer and a chisel, a man spends 22 years carving a road through a treacherous mountain. And you know who was this man? Dashrath Manji. So Dashrath Manji, who was Dashrath Manji? Now I tell you, according to this story that has been sent to me. Dashrath Manji was a poor man from the lowest of the low castes, living in a remote village, remote, remote village cut off, O double F, cut off from the world by a rocky mountain range. Life for him was a daily struggle for survival. बहुत सिंपल सा लिखा हुआ है. सर्वाइवल, सर्वाइवल लिखो स्पेलिंग फिर बोलूंगा. लाइफ फॉर हिम वॉज अ डेली स्ट्रगल. स्ट्रगल तो पुराना वर्ड हो गया आपके लिए. स्ट्रगल फॉर सर्वाइवल. सर्वाइवल, SURVIVAL, मीनिंग की बात बाद में करेंगे. ही लव्ड हिज वाइफ फागुनिया. फागुनिया was the name of his wife, and he loved his wife so much. He loved his wife Fagunia beyond belief. Beyond belief. विश्वास से भी परे जाकर के इतना प्यार वो करता था अपनी वाइफ को. One day, one day what happened? One day, while climbing the mountain to bring him food, his wife slipped, fell, and died. One day, when his wife was bringing food for him, hmm, because there was no road, so she had to climb the mountain. And at the time of climbing the mountain, when she was carrying food for his husband, you know what happened? His wife slipped, fell, and died. Overwhelmed by grief. Overwhelmed. लिखो spelling. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. एक ही वर्ड है. Overwhelmed. फोकस करो. Overwhelmed. अब स्पेलिंग चेक करो. OVERWHELMED. Overwhelmed by grief. 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 देखो, GRIEF. Overwhelmed by grief, Dashrath decided to carve out, carve, C-A-R-V, पहले भी आया था carving, समझ जाओ मीनिंग. Dashrath decided to carve out a path through the mountain, so that no one else would suffer his fate. Fate, F-A-T-E, fate.
Yeah.
For 20 years,
हाँ भैया.
for 20 years, all by himself means all alone. For 20 years, all by himself, phrase है ये, all by himself मतलब बिल्कुल अकेला, all by himself, with just a hammer and a chisel, he hammered. यहां पर वर्ब बन गया ये hammer, पहले नाउन था. He hammered, Hammered, he hammered away at the rocks till the path was carved out from the mountain. क्लियर हुआ? कुछ पूछना है? दोबारा पढ़ूंगा मैं अब इसको. मीनिंग्स आपने लिखे लिए हैं, फोकस करिए थोड़ा सा. दिस इज द स्टोरी अबाउट दशरथ मांझी. व्हाट डिड ही डू? यू नो, in simple words, if I say in simple words, he made a path in mountain using only a hammer and a chisel. A man spends 22 years carving a road through a treacherous mountain. Dashrath Manji was a poor man from the lowest of the low castes, living in a remote village cut off from the world by a rocky mountain range. Life for him was a daily struggle for survival. He loved his wife, Fagunia, beyond belief. One day, while climbing the mountain to bring him food, his wife slipped, fell, and died. Overwhelmed by grief, Dashrath decided to carve out a path through the mountain so that no one else would suffer his fate. For 22 years, all by himself, with just a hammer and a chisel, he hammered away at the rocks till the path was carved out from the mountain. क्लियर? समझ में आ गया होगा?
सर
हम्म.
चीजल मतलब
छेनी,
वो है ना, छेनी.
छेनी, छेनी,
हाँ सर, हथौड़े वाली.
हथौड़े वाली छेनी.
ओके सर. सर छेनी या चीनी?
अब छीनी बोल दो, छेनी बोल दो, वो एक अलग मैटर हो सकता है, पर आप समझ जाओ वो क्या चीज है. वो उसको ऐसे लगा करके अपन किसी चीज को तोड़ते हैं ना, दैट इज. अब उसको क्या आप कहते हो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मैटर. छीनी भी हो सकता है, छेनी भी हो सकता है, वो कोई इश्यू नहीं है. क्लियर हो गया?
फीचरियस.
टीचर मतलब खतरनाक, मतलब जोखिम भरा हुआ, आसान नहीं होना.
सर कार्विंग.
कार्विंग का मतलब उसको एक आकार देना, उसको निकालना, रास्ता निकालना, बीच में से एक रास्ते से उसको कार्व करना, पेड़ पहाड़ों को ऐसे तोड़ना और तोड़ करके रास्ता बनाना, दैट इज कार्विंग. अब इसके बारे में और क्या है, इसकी सिनॉप्सिस क्या है, सुनिए और सुनिए. लिख सकते हैं आप कुछ भी फैक्ट्स आए तो। इन द 1960s,
सर इसके ऊपर का पैराग्राफ भी तो है अभी।
उसको छोड़ दो, कोई खास बात नहीं है, चलो ले लेते हैं, उसको भी ले लेते हैं। दशरथ माझी स्टैंडिंग ऑन a mountain curses it, stating that he will break its ego and starts to break the mountain. कोई चीज खुरी बुरी है ना, एक अभिशाप की तरह है, उसको लगता था कि ये पहाड़ जो है वो एक अभिशाप है, ये पहाड़ हमें पूरे दुनिया से काट देता है, हम पूरी दुनिया से जुड़ ही नहीं पाते इस पहाड़ की वजह से। तो उसने उस पहाड़ का ईगो तोड़ने के लिए, that he will break its ego and starts to break the mountain. The story takes back in late 50s when Dashrath returns to his village after 7 years. इसको छोड़ो, बाद में लेंगे। In the 1960s, Dashrath Manji, whose real name was Nawajuddin Siddiqui.
नो सर,
तो
सर ये ब्रैकेट वाले जो नाम आएंगे ना इनको आप स्किप कर देना।
अच्छा
सर इनके ऊपर तो ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनी है ना।
ओके
तो
ओके
ये
ओके
एक्टर
ओके ओके ओके, मतलब नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी ने इसका पार्ट प्ले किया है इसमें। ओके
यस सर, ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री मूवी
इन द
पे।
1960s, दशरथ मांझी lived in a small village, Gahlor. Gahlor, small village. This is the name of village. लिख लो आप, GEHLORE. Near Gaya, गया बिहार में ही है, in Bihar state, in India, with his family, including, मतलब who were there in his family, his wife Fagunia Devi, Ruab, and landlord's son wants to contest the next election, and his dad is the powerful landlord of the village. ये तो कुछ और ही दे रखा है। ये तो मूवी के बारे में बता रखा है।
यस सर।
नहीं नहीं, छोड़ दो, बस इतना ही काफी है जो मैंने आपको सुनाया है, ठीक है ना। ये तो मूवी के बारे में बता रखा है। अब मैंने जितना आपको सुनाया है, समझ में आ गया सबको?
सर हम स्पीकिंग करें इस पे
इंग्लिश में। नाउ यू हैव टू टेल इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स। दिस इज द क्लास ऑफ टुडे, सो प्लीज स्टार्ट गिविंग योर नेम्स, हरी अप। और केवल समरी सुनानी है आपको, बस सारी बातें आ जानी चाहिए जो आपको बताई गई है। अपने हिसाब से आप इसको आप बोल सकते हो। ओके, सो लिसनिंग का भी हो गया और स्पीकिंग का भी हो गया। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल खुशी नहीं, रक्षित। ओके, कम ऑन रक्षित, फोकस करें, बाकी के लोग भी सुनेंगे ध्यान से। रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling about the story of the mountain man of India, who is Dashrath Manji. So we know that who was Dashrath Manji. He was a poor man, belonged to the lowest of the low caste in India, and he lived in Bihar, in Gahlor village. That is a remote village in our country, and that village was, but in a past time that village was covered with mountains, and the mountain, the treacherous mountains, the treacherous mountains separated the village from outside world.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हाँ, बोलो
Yes,
ऐसे
sir,
बोलो,
outside. Yes, sir, outside world. But Dashrath but so the story is about the Dashrath Manji's wife and about himself. One day when Dashrath Manji's wife Falgunia Devi was bringing food to him by climbing the mountain. So she fell from the mountain and died. And and we know that Dasharat Manji loved his wife very much, and his love was beyond belief. And that time Dasharat Manji decided to carve out the mountain and make a way to connect the world, so that no person in the future would face
नो
such a
वन
situation.
ओके चलेगा, वो भी चलेगा, बोलो.
Yes, sir, such a situation. So then he spent his 22 years by carving a road
ना ना
through the
भाई,
mountain.
ओके ओके बोलो.
Yes, by carving a road through the mountain with only a chisel and a hammer. And
वो भाई की
and
जरूरत नहीं थी, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आगे बोलो.
yes, sir, for doing this, he got an award by the government. So this is a big motivational story for everyone, and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. रोहित. रोहित is not here. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj, and today the story is about mountain man whose name was Dashrath Manji. So Dashrath Manji was a poor man from Bihar state and Gaya district in the Gehlor village, and he was the lowest caste, and there was a mountain range called Rocky Mountain Range.
Okay.
And that mountain range separated the village and the city between two parts. So when villagers had to suffer to cross the mountain to go the market in the city. And one day his wife was bringing him food, and then she slipped, fell and died. So
क्लियर बोला करो. Slept.
yes sir.
आगे बोलो.
And her name was Falgunia Devi, and she was much beloved of him, and he loved him beyond belief. So he decided to take he decided to carve the mountain into a road or street, so that people could easily cross the mountain. So with a hammer and a chisel, he hammered whole the rocks and the treacherous mountain, and made a way to cross the mountain. So that now we can say that he was a true inspiration for us, that if one decides to do something for beloved ones, or for anything, or for ego, so he can do that.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया.
Sir.
शाबाश. Yes, रोहित.
Sir.
आवाज क्लियर नहीं है तुम्हारी, ठीक करो, आवाज को ठीक करो, आवाज क्लियर नहीं है. हर्ष की भी आवाज नहीं आ रही होगी फिर तो. हर्ष.
सर. सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर मेरी आ रही है ना?
हाँ आ रही है, बोलो.
यस सर. सर कैमरा ऑन ना चलेगा?
हैं? हाँ चलेगा, बोलो.
यस सर. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshara. Today my topic is a man who is a motivation to all. Dashrath Singh. Sir, एक सेकंड में बाहर चले जाएं. Yes, sir. Once in a village, there was a man whose name was Dashrath Singh, and and his village was in a very remote area because of a rocky mountain which separated the village from the city or the main town. And every day his wife used to go across the mountain to bring food from the city. But one day when she was coming, her le- she sleep की थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होगी?
Slap.
She slept. She slipped from the mountain. She slipped. She slipped from the mount. She slipped from the mountain and died on the spot. And in her grief, Dashrath Singh decided to rock into cut the rock from between so that the people should not suffer the same pain as he is suffering. So uh, he did a hard work for 22 years to cut the mountain from between, and he succeeded in it, and for it he got a government prize, and that's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, रोहित आ गया क्या?
Sir,
बोलो.
sir, what?
नहीं, आवाज सही नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी.
Yes, good evening, my name is.
नहीं, आवाज सही नहीं है.
Hello.
नहीं है आवाज, बहुत ज्यादा कट रही है. गौरव.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is Dashrath Manji, the mountain man. So, Dashrath Manji was a very poor man who lived in Bihar, and his village in which he lived was separated from the city because of a mountain, and he was very low caste, the lowest caste specifically, and he was very poor because of this, and also he lived in a remote area. But he loved his wife Falguni Devi. One day while collecting fruit, his wife slipped from the mountain and died. And he was very he was very and he sir सहने को क्या कहेंगे?
सहना, टॉलरेट, बेयर.
He tolerated much pain than anyone can. And he became very sad, and also he was very angry on the mountain. So he decided to cut the mountain in half and make a path. And after 22 years of hard work and non-stop working,
क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया?
सर वो वापस आ रहे थोड़ी देर में.
अरे यार, ऐसे होता है क्या? चलो
सर, अब मैं आ सकता हूँ क्या?
अब तुम आ जाओ.
sir,
रुक जाओ, अब तुम
Yes,
बाद में आना. कहीं चले गए थे क्या तुम?
नहीं सर, अचानक से कट हो गई थी क्लास.
वो तो कह रही थी कि थोड़ी देर में आएगा वो.
नहीं सर, अचानक से कट हो गई थी.
कंटिन्यू करो. गौरव, कंटिन्यू करो.
Yes, sir. So after hard work of 22 years and non-stop working, he made a path, and for this he got government prize, and now the path is called the Dashrath Manji path,
वेरी गुड.
where you can see his statue. That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, वेरी गुड. आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो ना, आप सबके सब लोग, ये बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. यही होना चाहिए. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन रोहित.
Sir. Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell tell you about Dashrath Manji. So, as you all know that Dashrath Manji was a great man. He belonged to a very poor family, and he lived in a very remote village and belonged to the lowest caste. His wife very much, and once and all the villagers in his village of Gaya district of Bihar had to suffer a lot to get the daily survival needs. So one day when his wife was taking wife had gone to take the food. She slept from the mountain and died. In her grief, in the death of her wife's grief, he was very sad. That's why he decided to break the ego of the mountain,
शाबाश बढ़िया हाँ
ego of the
वेरी गुड
rocky
वेरी गुड हाँ
mountain range.
हाँ
So determination and the willingness to break the ego mountain, he decided to carve the mountain in two pieces and find a way through it so that the people can travel easily and no one in the future would face such type of problems. So with the help of hammer and a sickle, he cut he cut down the path between the mountain and after 22 years of hard work he was successful in his work, and and the road that was made by him is known to his name, that is Dashrath Manji. So by this character we can understand that if a person is willing to do something, and if he has the determination to do that, and then any work can be done by anyone. That's it, sir.
शाबाश वेरी गुड यस हर्षित
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Maurya, and today's my topic is Dashrath Manji. So, Dashrath Manji was a very poor man belonging to lower caste and who lived in a remote area. And once he lived in a remote area which was divided by the mountains and separated from city to village. And once he had a wife whose name was Falguni Devi, who was once collecting vegetables for him to make food from, and the only path was the mountain. So she had to pass through the mountain to collect vegetables to make food. So once while she was having vegetables, she slipped from the mountain and got injured too much, and there was not any direct way to take her to the hospital which was in the city. So they had to take her from the long path from where she died in between the path. So in respect to this, Dashrath Manji decided to break the ego of the mountain by breaking down the mountain. So he took 22 years alone and he alone broke down the mountain with only the help of a mountain and sorry with the help of a hammer and
chisel
chisel. Yes, sir. And a chisel, and hence he made a way that which was directly connected to the city, and that road is now known as the Dashrath Manji Road. That's it, sir.
शाबाश वेरी गुड यस कोमल
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Baro, and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today our topic is a story, and this is a story about Dashrath Manji and his beloved. And there was a man whose name was Dashrath Manji, and he lived in a small village in Bihar, and he lived with his family, and there was a too big mountain, and he lived with his family, and behind this mountain there is a city, and there was a market and a hospital, etc. And so they have had to go there so go to market and bring some uh, some veggies and etc. And one day his wife Falguni Devi, she was bringing some food for his family, and she was suddenly slipped slipped from the mountain and fell down and died. And then Dashrath Manji decided to cut that mountain and carve a path from the mountain, and so he decided also, and he was using only hammer and chisel for cutting the mountain, and he cut the mountain. He cut the mountain and carving a road from that mountain, and there was a path, and that path was known about that Dashrath Manji path, and this is a very good story. And Dashrath Manji was cut that path for his beloved and for all person to cross that path. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। ठीक है बेटा, फ्लो तो काफी अच्छा आ गया तुम्हारा। यस, नाउ आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donavat, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from E20. Today's our topic is Dashrath Manji.
आराम से
As
बेटा,
you,
ध्यान से।
as you know that he was very great man of India, because he cut a mountain with the help of a hammer and chisel. And what is the reason he do this work?
डू नहीं, डिड इसका ध्यान रखा करो।
Did this work. First, I say that he live in Bihar, in a small village which covered with mountains, and his wife and Dashrath Manji loved her wife, because it is life for सर वो उनकी जिंदगी थी, ये हम कैसे कहेंगे?
It was his life. Yes, she was his life. आराम से बन जाएगा सेंटेंस।
It was his life, and they loved and he loved him so much, and I liked that thing, because any man life loved for to her wife, and villagers climbed the mountain to go city, and brought vegetables, fruits for making food for himself, and the wife of Dashrath Manji climbed the mountain, and suddenly his leg slipped from.
Suddenly she slipped.
Suddenly she slipped from the mountain and he died.
शी आएगा ना, क्या ध्यान नहीं होता बेटा, थोड़ा फोकस कर अपनी वर्ब की गलती क्या कर बेटा, थोड़ा ध्यान रख। हाँ फिर अच्छा रिकॉर्डिंग है, सुन लेना। आगे बोल रिकॉर्डिंग होती है, सुन लेना। आगे बोल।
So Dashrath Manji took their chisel and hammer, and
देर क्यों आएगा?
his and he cut the mountain, and it is very unbelievable and impossible work in the life, and it is very big challenge for Dashrath Manji, and after his hard work, he all people saw that Dashrath Manji cut the mountain in half piece, and all people can climb the mountain easily, and anyone can't, and and government give a award to Dasrat Manji. Gave a award to Dasrat Manji, and it is very big thing, big work for India, because anyone can't do that thing.
no one can do.
Yes, no one can do
Such things.
such things, because any poor man cut the mountain with the help of a chisel and a hammer, because so many people cut the mountain with the help of machines, but it is very big thing. So yes, sir, that's it.
शाबाश, लास्ट में बहुत अच्छा बोलो. फोकस करोगे ना और छोटी मोटी गलतियां भी नहीं रहेंगी तुम्हारी. वर्ब की, प्रोनाउंस की, थोड़ा फोकस करो. जस लक्ष्मी.
हेलो सर.
बोल बेटा. आ रही है.
ओके सर.
क्या हुआ? कनेक्टिविटी कम गई इसकी. चलो तुम बाद में आना. अंजू.
सर मेरा.
तुम्हारा है. आजा विपिन. विपिन आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic. Hello everyone. My name is Vipin Kaurwal. Today my topic name is. Today my topic name is about Dasrat Manji. Dasrat Manji was a very poor man. He lived in remote area, belong lowest caste. His wife's name is
Fagunia Devi.
Fagunia Devi. He loved his wife very much. One day he was collecting a food, and he was climbing the.
किसकी बात कर रहे हो? He या she?
He
अच्छा बोलो.
was climbing the Rocky Mountain with his wife.
Okay, ठीक है.
And his wife bring food, and he was bringing a food and slipped from the mountain and died.
Shabash.
Dasrat Manji was very angry. The mountain
became angry. Became angry.
Okay, sir. He decided broke the mountain in half pieces.
To break the mountain.
To break the mountains in half pieces. He spent his 22 years. He successfully his work. That's it, sir.
ओके, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. और सुनाकर अच्छे से सुनाकर सबको, है ना? हाँ, वेरी गुड. यस. अंजू.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is Mountain Man. The Mountain Man was Dasrat Manji. One, he loved his wife named Falguni. One day, Falguni was bringing food for Dasrat Manji.
शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा. छोटे सेंटेंस बना के बोल. छोटा सा.
She slipped and died. She slipped and died. the to broke the ego of the
ब्रोक नहीं,
mountain,
ब्रोक, टू ब्रेक,
to break
फर्स्ट फॉर्म
the
आती टू के बाद, हाँ,
to break the ego of the mountain. Darshan Manji cut the mountain in from the middle and make the road.
मेड, हाँ शाबाश, वेरी गुड,
Make the road with no one. Only two things: chisel and the hammer. And spending 22 years on the road and broke the ego of the mountain. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा तूने, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है, इसको मेंटेन करके रखो बेटा, है ना, हाँ, अभी नीचे नहीं जाना बेटा बिल्कुल भी, कभी भी इस लेवल से नीचे नहीं जाना बेटा, है ना, यस, खुशी,
Yes, sir. Sir, can I?
कौन, लक्ष्मी, हाँ बाकी रह गई, आ जा बेटा,
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is about a mountain man. Dashrath Manji lived in a remote village cut off by a rocky mountain range, and he had to work hard for surviving his and his family life, and he loved his wife a lot, whose name was Febunia, and one day his wife was climbing the mountain to bring food for his husband. He suddenly she slipped from the mountain and died, and after that his husband decided to break the ego of the mountain. So therefore he spent his 22 years by climbing the mountain from chisel and hammer, and he was belong to lower caste.
he belonged, was क्यों,
Yes, sir. He belonged to lower caste, and he lived small village.
इन स्मॉल
Ye-
विलेज, फोकस करो, ऐसी गलतियां नहीं
Yes,
होनी
sir.
चाहिए अब, हाँ,
in a small village which was situated in Gaya, and he had broken the ego of the mountain with the help of hammer and chisel
चीजें,
and
हाँ, बोलो बोलो,
chisel, and due to this story we learn that
फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी, ड्यू टू दिस स्टोरी नहीं, फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी,
yes, sir, from this story we learn that nothing is impossible for everyone. That's it, sir.
फॉर एनीवन, एवरीवन नहीं, फॉर एनीवन,
Anyone.
ओके, ठीक है बेटा, वेरी गुड, आ जाओ खुशी, आ जाओ, बहुत अच्छा, खुशी आ जाओ, हाँ बेटा आ जाओ,
Hello everyone and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujjar. I'm telling about the mountain man whose name is Dashrath Manji. His wife's name was Falgunia, and he lived in a small village in Bihar, whose village name was Galore, and due to mountain they didn't get many facility, and they had to cross the mountain to buy vegetable and other things. And one day his wife brought
was bringing कोई बात नहीं बोलो
was
आप
bring yes sir his wife was bringing vegetable
हम्म,
and he slipped from
सिया
the
है ना
yes sir he she slipped from mountain
कंफ्यूजन मत रखो इतना, बिल्कुल माइंड क्लियर रखो अपना, आपको ये कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए आपके अंदर। हाँ, फ्लो लाओ थोड़ा सा। क्या हुआ
सर?
हैं?
सर एक बस सर अब आ रही है?
बोलो, कैरी ऑन।
So Dasarath Hanumanji was very sad and he decided to break the mountain and he used hammer and chisel.
हारमोनी हैमर, हाँ बोलो बोलो, चिज़ल।
Hammer and chisel
हाँ
and broke the mountain day by day, slowly, and one day he had broken mountain and he got a road and in the end I'm telling about I want to say that everything is possible. That's it sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा फ्लो बढ़ाओ अपना, है ना, थोड़ा सा माइंड में जो कंफ्यूजन है उसको बिल्कुल, चाहे थोड़ा ही बोलो लेकिन उसको बिल्कुल और अच्छे से, ठीक है ना। अच्छा बोल रहे हो वैसे, थोड़ा सा फ्लो लाओ, फ्लो लाने की कोशिश करो धीरे धीरे बेटा, है ना काजल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is Dashrath Manji. Dashrath Manji was the mountain man and he lived in a remote village and which is located in Bihar near Gaya, and the village name was Galore, and he lived with his family, and in his family his wife lived with him, and one day his wife was climbing on the mountain for bringing food, and he slipped away from the mountain and fell and died. And after it, the mountain man Dashrath Manji decided to break the ego of the mountain.
शाबाश।
and he started to carving. He started to carving the mountain, and he after 22 years he by his hard work, after 2 years hard work, he made a path through the mountains, and he made a path for the people, and in the last I want to say that if our willpower is strong, we can do anything. That's it, sir.
शाबाश। और थोड़ा सा फ्लो लाने की कोशिश करोगे इसमें, है ना, धीरे धीरे डे बाय डे। ओके
Okay, sir.
और फोकस करोगे तो और फ्लो आ जाएगा अभी। ओके बेटा, यस, बाकी अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सिमरन।
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Today's my topic is Dasrath Sharma, and he is a mountain man, and he was belong village,
Was
and
की क्या जरूरत है? He belonged to a small village. बोलो
Okay,
बोलो,
sir.
घबराओ मत। हाँ।
He belonged to a small village, and he was a poor man, and he was belong a caste,
He
a
belonged
low,
to a caste, to a lowest caste, to the
to
lowest
a
caste।
low
हाँ, घबराओ मत
caste.
बिल्कुल भी। हाँ, फोकस करो थोड़ा। हाँ।
He lived near Mount Rocky Mountain, and he, he lived with his wife, and he loved so much his wife, and his wife name is uh, Falguni, and one day he and uh, his wife went to mountain, and he and his wife climbing the mountain, and his wife bringing some.
बोलो 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 बेटा, बोल बेटा।
His wife collected some fruits, but suddenly she her leg
She slipped.
she slipped and died. So the Dasrath Maji was angry to mountain, and he finally he decided carve to
कहाँ लगा रहे हो
to carve the mountain, and after 22 years he carved the mountain by two piece
by two piece in two pieces.
in two pieces, and uh, uh, he made a road, and he and mm, this road its name is its name is Dasrath Path, and all people easily can climbing the mountain, and he broke the ego of mountain. That's it, sir.
ओके, ठीक है बेटा। और कोई रह तो नहीं गया?